Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get ready.
Mazda is a Japanese automobile manufacturer. Mazda Motor Corporation has a high popularity in the world and in the CIS countries, especially among young people. Power units produced by the manufacturer have high accuracy and reliability. Technical characteristics. Mazda 6 is a fairly widespread car. The vehicle is suitable for both young people and older generation. Due to the simplicity of design and high-quality structural elements, the engines have increased technical characteristics. Let's consider the main technical characteristics of engines for different models of Mazda 6 2.0. Engine Ford Mazda 2.0-liter Duratec He MZR LF Name Characteristic Manufacturer Valencia Engine Make Duratec He MZR LF Years of Production 2001 to 2010 Volume 2.0-liter 1999 cubic centimeters, power 105 number of cylinders 4 number of valves 16 cylinder diameter 87.5. Head material aluminum block material aluminum Econorman -4 fuel consumption 7.1 oil quantity 4.5 oil labeling 5W20 Mazda Skyactiv G 2.0 engine name characteristic manufacturer Hiroshima plant make Skyactiv G years of production 2011 present volume 2.0 liter 1997 cubic centimeters power 165 number of cylinders 4 number of valves 16 cylinder diameter 83.5 head material aluminum block Material aluminum Econorman -4 fuel consumption 6.0 oil quantity 4.2 oil labeling 0W25W 30 resource 250,000 km Mazda 3 engine service features. Maintenance of Mazda 6 power units is carried out in the same way for all power units. The service interval is 15,000 km. Engines can be serviced both in a service station and with your own hands. The maintenance schedule is as follows. TO1. Oil change, oil filter replacement. It is carried out after the first 1,000 to 1,500 km of mileage. This stage is also called running in, because the motor elements are lapping. TO2. The second maintenance is carried out after 10,000 km of mileage. Thus, the engine oil and filter are changed again, as well as the air filter element. At this stage, the engine pressure is also measured and the valves are adjusted. TO3. At this stage, which is performed after 20,000 km, the standard procedure of oil change, fuel filter replacement and diagnostics of all engine systems is performed. Maintenance 4. The fourth maintenance is probably the simplest. After 30,000 km of mileage only oil and oil filter element are changed. TO5. The fifth maintenance is like a second breath for the engine. This time a lot of things are changed. So, let's consider what elements are replaced in the fifth maintenance, the process of replacing the timing chain Mazda 6 oil change. Replacement of the oil filter. Replacement of the air filter. Replacement of the fuel filter element. Alternator belt, if necessary. Water pump. Valve cover gasket. Other items that need to be replaced. Valve adjustment where the timing mechanism is adjusted, for Ford Mazda 2.0L Duratec He MZR LF powertrain. The Mazda Skyactiv G 2.0 engine has hydrocompensators, and therefore valve train adjustment is not necessary. Subsequent maintenance is carried out according to the map of 2 to 5 maintenance according to the corresponding mileage. Dismantling the Mazda 6 2.0 engine oil change. Engine oil is an essential element of every car's heart. This liquid provides lubrication of engine parts and also removes 15% of heat generated by the engine. But, like any other liquid, engine oil tends to lose its useful qualities, so according to the manufacturer's recommendations it is changed every 15,000 kilometers. At the same time, experienced motorists recommend that to reduce wear and increase the resource of use, to change lubricating fluids more often. In the case of the engine, it should be done every 10,000 kilometers of mileage. Install the vehicle on the trestle, pit or hoist, and let it cool down. We dismantle the lower motor protection. Unscrew the drain bolt on the crankcase block. Preliminary, it is necessary to install a container under the place of drainage. After the liquid is almost drained, unscrew the oil filter, and install a new element. Screw the filler plug. Unscrew the filler neck of the motor and pour in new engine oil. After running in period of 2 to 3 kilometers, it is necessary to add lubricant to the motor. Faults and repairs. Structurally, this Mazda power unit was not equipped with hydrocompensators, and therefore the motorist will have to adjust the valves every 120,000 kilometers. The process of replacing burnt-out Mazda cylinder head valves. So, let's consider what difficulties of operation await the motorist: floating revolutions. In this case, it is worth paying attention to the sensors that may have failed. And also, the cause may be the breakdown of the intake manifold gasket. Knocks. First of all, it is necessary to check the valve clearances. If this does not help, then it is necessary to dig deeper and check the liners and pistons. Gasoline, like diesel. It is worth checking the operability of the intake manifold flap. Poor traction. This means that it is worth checking the formation of the air-fuel mixture. Conclusion: Mazda 6 2.0 engine is economical, reliable, and powerful. All powertrains built by Mazda Motors are a combination of modern technology and classic design. Having high technical characteristics and ease of maintenance, repair, have a high world rating. Mazda 6 Mazda 3 engine replacing the timing chain, removing a Mazda engine, Mazda head repair. In conclusion, the Mazda 6 with its 2.0-liter engine offers a compelling blend of performance, efficiency, and style. Its responsive handling and comfortable ride make it a standout choice in the mid-size sedan market. Whether you're commuting through the city or embarking on a long road trip, the Mazda 6 delivers a driving experience that is both enjoyable and reliable. Thank you for watching, and we hope this overview has helped you appreciate the strengths of the Mazda 6 2.0-liter engine.